ASOM, for Orthopedic Operation Microscope. With multi-layer nano-optical coating, in the light path and apopyramatic technology, optical lens offers excellent optical clarity, large depth of field and detailed resolution. Tiltable binocular tubes available, which can incline more than 60 degrees, depending on the posture and physique of the operating surgeon. Movable range, 30 degrees to 90 degrees, inclined. Fully independent assistant, as microscope, 180 degrees, face-to-face observation with the main tube. ASOM, for microscope configured with XYZ, and zoom motorized movement operated through a comfortable foot control, a very effective co-axial illumination and 100W halogen light source makes it ideal for surgeries.